I'm here with our brand new 26RB. Let's take a look at some of the new features for this year. So starting at the front of the coach, we have power jacks. We also have a front power tongue jack. We have power everything on this unit, and this is all standard, comes with it even at the base price. Moving back, we have our smaller outside kitchen. Even in this size, we have spray port, throwaway sink. It does have an induction cooktop. We also have the small fridge as well. And then like all the Vibes in the Vibe line, we do have our Camp Anywhere package. Now this package is standard on all Vibes, is a 200-watt roof-mounted panel, comes with a 30-amp controller, and does include the battery. Again, all standard items in the Vibe line. Going back, we have our spread axle system. You'll notice that our wheels are spaced quite a bit farther apart than some other brands in the market. This helps spread out your weight when you're towing, keeps it much more steady going down the road, dealing in high wind situations as well. We have our solid step, again, standard on the Vibes, aluminum, very lightweight, just folds up and into the camper when you need, and it can easily extend the legs on the bottom as well if you're in uneven terrain. And then on the very back of the unit, we have, again, our standard spare tire with cover, and then new for this year is the new Stow and Go ladder prep. So that ladder from Lippert goes to about 39 inches when it's fully stowed, and then you just retract it up and it snaps into that mount right there. And that way, if you need to get up there, do any maintenance or anything, you're already set up to do it. Let's go take a look at the inside. Here we are on the inside of the new Vibe 26RB. Now in the back here we have our brand new rear bath that has a full 30 by 36 walk-in shower with the new Irvine anti-slam door. Also have porcelain toilet standard and a lot of room in here to move around. Moving forward, we have brand new for this year is our theater seats. Again, these are standard in this model. And then it's right across from your new entertainment system. So we have a 40-inch TV. We have our 30-inch Furrion fireplace, again standard. And then brand new for this year is our new hidden pantry. So the way this works is this is on a hinge, and this is all storage behind here. Let's take a look. So on the inside, tons of storage, motion sensor light. This is held by these beefy magnets on here in the hinge. And the nice thing is, because we're running the wire through conduit, your TV and your fireplace can still work even when this is open. Then when you close it and you're going down the road, simply close it and latch it up here and you are good to go. Moving up into the kitchen, we have, again, our full Furrion kitchen setup. So our 12-volt refrigerator is 10.7 cubes, tons of storage in there. You can also dry camp with it. Again, full Furrion setup in the kitchen area with our custom pot and pan drawer. Stainless steel sink, full backsplash, a window as well. And then our dinette. This has our booth dinette. This does go down and make into a bed if need be, if you have some extra guests. And then underneath for storage, we do have our storage bins, again, which are included on the Vibe models. Working our way now into the bedroom area. Queen bed on this model. We do have, again, more storage underneath with the storage bins that are included. We have cubbies behind each of your full-length wardrobes. This has a 12-volt charger as well as a 110. Set up for a TV in here as well. This one has a second AC on it as well in the bedroom area. And then your controller for your solar power is also in the bedroom area. Again, all standard stuff on the Vibe. This is Brendan Poling with Forest River Vibe. Thanks for coming through and taking a tour of our brand new 26RB. If you have any questions or need any more information, you can go on to www.forestriverinc.com/Vibe. Thanks and happy camping.